Good morning, it's May 2026. I'm back up in the Cairngorms National Park. I'm going to do Beinn Ghlo today, which is a group of 3 Munros kind of on the southwest of the park. Weather's looking a bit mixed. The forecast is a kind of mixture of cloud, sunshine and showers, maybe sunshine. Hopefully I get a few gaps when I'm at the top. There's just a bit of cloud clinging on top of the first Munro at the moment, which is the lowest one, so that doesn't bode well. But hopefully there's enough wind to shift it off. It's supposed to be pretty cold out there, so we'll see how this goes. Come down from the summit of the first Munro of the day, Carn Liath, I think it's called. It's the shortest one. I think it's about 975 metres. It was pretty cold up there. There was kind of snow, icy snow at the top, a bit cloudy, bit of a gap in the clouds to see a bit of a view, but not great. But it's kind of clearing out now. I've dropped down into the kind of ridge between the first 2 Munros. There's still some cloud up on the next 2 Munros, which are significantly higher. It's not too cold when it's not snowing. It is a bit breezy, but it's not too bad down here. The sun's out for a bit, so I'll make the most of that. On top of my second Munro of the day, name will be on the screen, can't remember what it's called. It's higher than the first one, not as high as the third one. Still got some views, only a few clouds wisping around, so good stuff. I'm at the top of the third Munro, Carn Liath, Ghabhar, I think it's pronounced. This is 1,120 something meters, so the highest one today, and the highest one kind of in the immediate area. You have to go across to like Loch Nagar and then the main Cairngorms to find higher mountains around here. Yeah, it's very cold, it's very windy, and I'm in a cloud at the moment. There's kind of snow patches on the ground. Luckily there was only one large snow patch to walk across and it wasn't steep, so pretty easy getting up here. I'm going to hang around for a little bit to see if I get a break in the clouds, but I'm not going to hang around long because it is absolutely freezing. But job done. Might have a little bit of food and then get back down where it's a bit warmer.